Hey guys, how's it going? We are at HomeGoods right now. I'm gonna go in there. I came here for one thing, but I have this feeling that I'm going to find everything today. I either come here and I find everything or I find nothing, and I have this gut feeling that today's gonna be one of the days that I find everything. So, without further ado, let's go see what we can get ourselves into trouble with today. I'm at HomeGoods. I came here for one thing, and I thought that that's all I was gonna leave with. I have a basket full already, and I found the pillow section, and so now I think we're gonna look for some pillows for the outdoor sofa area. I really could use some brand new pillows out there. The ones that we have are just kind of old pillows that we had, so it would be really nice. So if we're gonna do outdoor pillows, I think I want to go with either blue or green, one of the two. The first ones that caught my eye were these ones here. I loved the bird on them. I think Brent will really like these. It's 40 bucks for two of them. And then I was thinking, I also kind of liked this with it. It's got blue and green. I feel like they play together really, really nicely. But I also did kind of like this one, but the green doesn't quite go, so I'd have to do different pillows. But I loved the bluebirds on this one. I really liked this one, but I think it's just a little too stark white. It looks a little more creamy on camera, but it is very stark white. But I loved how the birds were embroidered on it. But because it is so bright white, I think we're gonna pass on it. Let me show you one that's a little bit creamier in person. Next to this. See how this one's just, it's a little bit richer. Makes that look a little bit more bright white. So I don't know, it's a little too white, I think. And these are very much indoor pillows, but I want to get ones that the covers come off so I can wash the covers and not worry about it. And then I can get a pillow rated for outdoors down the road. But basically all I'm really looking at right now is the covers. I think I'm pretty sold on this pillow. I really am loving this combo. But I also think that I kind of like this one. So all three pillows would have stripes. This has like a beige stripe to it, but it has the blue that ties into the stripes here. And the edge here, this blue matches really close to the blue that's in here. So that would be kind of a really good combo, I think. I do like that. And this would match, I think, the seats of the chair better. But I do think that this is a lot more fun. And I kind of like that. I did also find this combo. This one I feel like is a little bit more loud, but I do kind of like it. And there are two of these pillows. So this is another option. I think I might have found it. This I think works so perfectly. The colors complement each other beautifully. And look, tell me that flower does not kind of match that flower. I mean, we're pretty close there. These leaves right here kind of match those leaves right there. You've got like this like spiky flower. I think this is the combo. These ones are $35 a piece, way more than I wanted to spend. And this one here is $35. So it's a lot more than I wanted to spend on outdoor pillows, but I do think that this combo will be really beautiful on the couch, and the blue will tie in much better than the mostly green with the color of our sofa. I was hoping to find some outdoor pillows that matched this green color. Like, I was thinking I'll find them down the road. They put out some of their outdoor stuff. Is that not a perfect match? I wanted two pillows for the armchairs that we have. And so I think these will be perfect. These will be for the sofa. This will be for the sofa. And then it'll all kind of tie together. And then this color ties into the stripes here and the color here. I think it's perfect. I was just in the dinnerware dish set section, and I found these. I thought how cool these would be for when I'm entertaining. My goal this year is to start doing a lot of entertaining, so I thought this would be really nice. I'm gonna get 4 of them. They're pretty affordable, $13 a piece. And I was looking them up online while I was over there. There's a million people over there, that's why I didn't record. I saw ones going kind of like this online, anywhere from $100 a piece up to $400 a piece. And I liked them, so this is way better. I'd rather pay this price. And it comes with the glass dish. It says restaurant quality, and it says that it is sustainable for dishwasher, oven, and the microwave. So this is perfect. I'll be able to cook things in here, put them back in the decorative trays, and then serve that way. And then I think because I'm also wanting to do lots of entertaining, I'm going to get some really nice napkins. So these are cotton napkins. They're 18 by 18, $16 for a set of 8. I think I'm gonna grab 4 sets of these. And the reason that I want to get 4 sets is because they're white cotton napkins, so I know that they're going to get gross over time, and so I want to always have nice napkins. And I really like the simple line design on these ones, and so I just will have them kind of as backups, because once you buy things from here, if you don't get everything that you want, you're not going to be able to find it again down the road. So I really like these ones. and they're pretty affordable for 8 napkins. It's like $2 a napkin. Do absolutely love that Peter Rabbit is kind of coming in. It was one of my favorite things as a kid. This is a $7 mug. I actually really like this as a coffee mug. I might get this. Salt and pepper shakers, little tea plates. I don't know, it's very sweet. Look at this plate. These are so cute. $7. These would be so precious to pull out at Easter time. I love Easter. I think it's one of the prettiest holidays because of all of the pastel colors, and it's springtime. I don't ever do Easter though. I do just think it's all so cute. And these plates were the original reason that I kind of came back here. But I'm looking at them again and they're just so thick. I don't really love a thick plate. I like a really thin plate. I don't know, it's weird, but I just think these are so stinking cute. I love the like cabbage roses, we're calling them. I feel like this is probably like an AI design, but they're $7 a piece. I just don't like how thick they are. So we're gonna pass on these. Found this coffee mug. I think I like better with the butterfly and just Peter Rabbit on it, $7. So we're gonna grab this one. This will be my morning coffee cup. Before we check out, they do have all of their garden stuff out right now. These are kind of cute. I don't think they're my style, I think they're a little boho, but I'm not mad at these. The big one is $35. And the small one is $16. I like the foot on those. They also have like a million faux wreaths. Let's see what one of these run. They don't look the best. This one is $60. This one is $34. There is a size difference. I do like this tulip one, but I wish the tulips looked like real. I wish they were those like real look ones. And this one is $29. So I mean, for $29, I guess it's a little hard to be mad. You can see they look like really fake tulips. It's probably better than the way this one looks. This one looks so fake for $40, but I do like the wreath on this one. Some of these are just so bad. Like what? What is going on? We can do better than this. This is kind of a cute little spring container. $30. Oh, and look, this one kind of matches it. This one is $25. And I feel like this would be such a good place to get a watering can too. Look at some of these. These are nice. I love this one with the hummingbirds on it. What is the price on this? It's from the British Gardening Company. I just looked and they're both $30. I love this on it, but I also love the hummingbirds. I would love a watering can that was this green color with like an emblem and then like one hummingbird on it, or like a hummingbird sitting like right here. Just like one subtle detail. I think that would be so cute. That's a little too chaotic for me. I don't love the handle on this one. I don't need another watering can either. This one is so fun. It's probably so expensive. $40. It is so heavy. They just have so many of these watering cans. They're so cute with the hummingbirds on them. And then also, I did notice this. How cute is this swan? I'm obsessed with swans. It's $39.99. It's so cute. I don't need another swan. I don't love the faux moss that's on here. It's like, it looks really fake. So I don't love that. But I feel like it would be a really good swan to have inside, like an indoor swan, like put like a plant in there and maybe like in a pot. But I think it would be a really good one for indoors. I'm gonna pass on it. I have 2 empty swans in the house. These are both pretty cool. $80, and then this one is $60. These would be really nice on the patio. The wrong color though, rattan. Our rattan is neither of these colors, but they are both really cool. I do love the scallop on this one. And not to say that $1,300 is not a lot of money, but they did. Ours is putting all of their outdoor furniture out right now while I'm here in the store. This is out. This is amazing. $1,300, table, 6 chairs, and it's like, it's kind of like the Hollywood stuff, but I don't know, I feel like it's not that bad. $1,300, it's a lot of money. I'm not gonna say it's not a lot of money, but I feel like it is a pretty good deal. So if you're looking for something affordable, always check out HomeGoods and TJ Maxx. The umbrella that's here too is only $149. That is a huge umbrella. I just don't love that it's red. But this is not a bad deal, $1,300 for the table and chairs. I just found these chairs too. They're $129 a piece. So there's 2 of them, and they're the Adirondack chairs, but they're rocking chairs. So they rock. How cool is that? I don't think I've really seen Adirondack chairs for cheaper than that before. So That is a really good deal. So one thing that I did come here hoping to find, something that I would like, was little cocktail tables for outside. I was wanting to get one by each of the chairs. I didn't really find any that were my style, but I did find this stool that I thought was amazing. It's $40. It is so solid and so heavy. The stain's a little scuffed off that side, but 40 bucks for like a solid stool. I think this would be such a pretty little plant stand inside the house. I also found this birdhouse. This is amazing. And just so you can see, this thing is huge. It's absolutely massive. I think this might be the best thing I've ever found at HomeGoods before. It is huge. It's $129. It is a beautiful birdhouse. Look at these other designs that they have. I'm going to look into this company when I get home, but it says that it's rated for outdoor use. And it's actually like supposed to be used by like wrens, finches, chickadees, nuthatch, and titmice. It says that they are the likely ones to use these homes, and it's made with material that can all be used outdoors. I thought it was really like flimsy, but it's not, and it's huge. This is definitely the best find I've ever found at a HomeGoods before. We're back home now, and I wanted to show you guys everything that I ended up coming home with, and I think I spent too much money, but I also am gonna look at it a different way. So I picked up 4 of these, and my thought was I saw them go anywhere from $100 for a set of 2 to $400 for a single one. And the one that looked most like this was the one that was like $400. So honestly, I kind of saved money. So I bought 4 of these. I think these will be perfect for entertaining this year. And the glass inside them is microwave and dishwasher and oven safe. And I just thought these were, I don't know, kind of like a fun way to display food this year. And these were $12.99 each. I then went and bought some of these napkins. These were $17 for an 8-pack, and I felt like that was actually a pretty good price. It makes them about like $2 a piece, and they are 100% cotton, 18 by 18, and so these will be really nice for entertaining. And I do like the little stripes that's on them. I thought that was just kind of nice, and I thought to buy a whole bunch of these so that way as they get dirty, I don't have to worry about not having complete sets. Next was kind of the expensive thing. I did buy pillows. So I bought these pillows right here. These were $39.99, so they were 40 bucks for 2 of them. These are by Hunter. I don't love the giant logo on them, but I think I'm probably just gonna turn them around so I don't have to see the logo that's on these. I prefer to not have a plastic logo on these. So we'll just turn them around, but they do match the other pillows that I bought. I bought this pillow also. This was $34.99, and I really liked this. I think this will be really pretty for outside. This is definitely not an outdoor pillow, but I'm going to get an insert that is outdoor so that way I can just worry about having to take the cover off and wash it. $34.99, and this green matches the other green really, really beautifully. The last pillow that I bought was at $34.99, and I did buy 2 of these, and I just loved it. This flower matched the flower in that other pillow, and same with this. There was a lot of like matching that happened, and the colors matched beautifully. I bought 2 of these, $34.99, so 35 bucks each. I hate buying pillows, they're so expensive, but these ones were so pretty, and I think these will be really beautiful on the outdoor sofa. This I did not show you guys in store. I bought a tablecloth for our dining table right here. We're using a square tablecloth that I have it like folded. So I did buy a round tablecloth. It has ducks on it. I love it. It has little bunnies on it. Oh, there's a swan on it. Also, that's what really sold me. Bunnies on it. And this was $19.99. Look at these bunnies. Isn't that so cute? I just thought bunnies, ducks, swans. When I saw the swan, I was immediately sold on it. So this is going to be for indoor use, and it was 20 bucks. And the last thing that I bought, I already took the price tag off because I was gonna wash it, so I don't remember what I paid for it. I think it was like $6.99. I did buy the Peter Rabbit mug. So I can't wait to have my coffee in this. And the handle was good. I can fit like 3 fingers in there. It just felt nice. I loved the like scalloped detail on this. It's just a really pretty mug, gold rim, and Peter Rabbit, and it's just a little nostalgia piece. And this is my Peter Rabbit that I've had for over 30 years now, 32 years almost. So my entire bedroom when I was a kid was Peter Rabbit. And so I've got my little Peter Rabbit with his little blue jacket. How cute is that? Isn't that so sweet? So I just kind of had to get it. This is my little adult momentum to my room as a child, and he's got his little carrot that he stole from Mr. McGregor's garden. So that is everything that I bought today. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for coming shopping with me. I went to there for one thing. I went there for pig ears. I usually get my dogs, I usually get my dog her treats there because she goes through a lot of dog treats. She really loves treats. And we also usually get her some lamb chops from there. And so I went in there for these and for a lamb chop. I didn't get her a lamb chop. And I left spending so much money. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure that you hit that like and that subscribe button. If you haven't, subscribing is free. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.